how to make an animated YouTube intro on Canva for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how we can create our own professional YouTube intro or any kind of intro on Canva using the free version. So let's get started. You will simply come to your canva.com, sign into your account. I have signed up for a free version and I will be making a intro today. So to create an intro, you will find the video option right here. We know that Canva is a designing tool and we can create anything with Canva. We can design templates, we can create presentations, logos, resume, and more. So the video option is here and I will go with a standard size, which is 1920 by 180. You can also select custom size from here. So simply select this blank canvas and it will take you to your canvas right here on Canva. So this is our editor and let's start creating our intro. So you can see we have templates, elements, uploads, text, audio, and backgrounds. We are going to be creating an animated intro and it's going to be very fun and easy. So let's start. The first thing that you need to do is you need to change the background color if you want to. I will simply select the color from here and I want to go with a very, light color. This is for my travel blogs. So let's say that I want to create an intro for my travel channel. So what I want is I just want a very light color. So this looks good. Now, what I'm going to do is I will simply go to uploads. And the first thing that I need to do is I need to upload an image of myself because I want to add an intro with my picture. So I will simply go to upload media and I will upload an image right here. So I have uploaded this image right here. Now, before I add image to my intro, I want to go to elements. And in elements, let's select a frame for our photo. So you can see we have a bunch of frames right here. I will simply go to see all and select a very cool one from here. So you can see we can go with this one. Actually looks pretty good and I want to go with this one or either this one. Let's go with this one. All right, so now we have selected a frame. I will actually just increase the size a bit. Increasing a size is really easy. You can just simply go ahead and drag it and it will increase the size. There you go. This looks good. I will simply go to uploads. Now drag the image and drop it right here and the image will be added. So the image looks pretty good. I will actually make it a bit smaller. There you go. Perfect. Now the next step is going to be adding a text. So I will simply go to the text option and simply select a heading. We can also go for different fonts that are already available and it looks pretty good, but we're starting everything from the scratch. So I will simply select a heading and I will add the intro. I will add the title of my YouTube channel. So I have entered the text and you can see it looks like this. Now what I can do is I can actually decrease the line spacing or I can actually decrease the letter spacing if I want to. Once it's done, you can decrease the size of your text and you can see there's a much difference. So I will simply go to line spacing and I will decrease the line spacing. There you go. Looks perfect. Now we can go to fonts and I will change the font. We can also change the color for our text and I want to change the color. You can see we're getting a palette from my photo as well and it kind of like blends in. That's why I chose this color because my photo also goes with it. So I will go to simply the panel here and I'm actually going to make it a bit darker. Very dark brown. So this looks pretty good. Now let's add few of the different graphics and animated elements to our intro right here. So what I'm looking for is I'm actually looking up a paper aeroplane. So I'm gonna search for it. So you can see we have this one right here and then we have few of the other options. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and select one from here. So this one looks pretty good. You can see. So I will actually make it a very small and I will place it right here. All right. I'm first adding all the elements and then we will move into our animation and then we will animate everything. After that, let's go back to elements and add few of more things such as I want to do something with my picture here, like I add a sticker or something happening with it. So I will simply go to stickers right here. There's this one. So I'm gonna add it right here. Or maybe we can actually look for something from the search. Okay, this one looks pretty good. So I will select this one. There you go. And there are other options as well. Now let's go to elements again. And now I will search for travel. And let's find some cute elements or stickers or graphics to add to our intro right here. So we have these bags. Okay, this looks really, really amazing. I'm gonna select the bag. After that, let's select a passport. Then what else do we have? Okay, we have this map and it looks really good. So I'm gonna select that as well. So I have selected bunch of different elements. The color for the map looks perfect, so I'm not gonna change that and I will just add it right here. The passport, you can see the color is pink, but my intro and my theme is kind of a different color, so we can change the color for different elements. I will simply go ahead and change the color of the passports to this brown color, and now it matches with our theme. So I'm also adding a background to my text right here because it's kind of like really blending into my whole background. So I will simply go to elements again and I will select a square, this one, and I will change the color. Okay, changes color is already changed, so I'm just gonna make it like use it as a background for my text. All right, okay, it looks perfect. Now we'll move our image a bit. There you go, it looks perfect now. So now the next thing is going to be animating. So I am just simply gonna select a full background, and once we do that, then we get the option of animate. We can actually animate every single element as well. You simply select an element and then we get the option to animate that element. And when you select whole, canvas like a background, then we can animate everything on displaying on our canvas. So I'll just place it. We can select from bunch of different animations, and you can see this one is pan, this one is rise, this one is fade, then we have this one, we have this one. So I think the rise one looks pretty amazing, and then the pan one actually looks pretty impressive. I'm gonna go with pan. Simply select and it will be added to your elements right here. So this looks perfect now, and now I can adjust the size for my intro, and it is going to be for 7.6 minutes. We can adjust the timing from here. Let's play our intro, and we can also add an audio. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead to audios right here and just select one of the audios that are available for free. So I have selected this sound from here. It is completely free. You just select the sound and it's added right here, you can see. And then we can also adjust the sound the way we want to. Simply click on the sound on these three dots, and we can adjust it, adjust the volume, split everything. So I have added the sound as well, and now I think my intro is ready. Let's go ahead and check out our intro that we just created. Alright, so it looks perfect, and that is how you can simply go ahead and create an animated intro using Canva for free. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.